Welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, we will walk you through how to optimize your Shopify collection pages using the StoreSEO app. Let us get started. Before we begin, ensure you have installed and set up the StoreSEO app from the Shopify App Store. Once that is done, open the app and go to the Optimize SEO section. From there, navigate to Collections and select the product collection you want to optimize. On Dashboard, you will see your overall SEO score and a detailed SEO analysis. This will highlight any issues that need attention. Let us start with the basics: meta title and meta description optimization. Make sure to fill out both fields, keeping within the recommended character limits for best results. Next is the URL optimization. Ensure your URL includes the focus keyword, just like your meta title and description. Now, move on to the detailed SEO analysis section for further edits. Update the appropriate titles or other fields as needed, and click Save when you are finished. Once all adjustments are complete, you will notice that your SEO score is now full, with all issues resolved. This means your Shopify collection page is fully optimized for search engines. Do not forget to hit Save to apply all changes. And that is it. This is how you can easily optimize your Shopify collection pages using StoreSEO. Feel free to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.